The smartest way to free up space on your phone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to file manager in my app mobile. Here you guys can see my files, so I will simply click on that. Now here you guys will see device storage, so simply click on that. Now here you guys can see there's a lot of folders, but the smart way, you guys will see on downside photos, videos, audios, APKs, documents, archives. So you guys will simply click on photos, and here you guys can select all folders and after that delete it. Also in video section you guys can select all your phone videos, it will show here. Also you guys can see audio, so in audio you guys can do same, and you guys can try all these thing and delete that, so it will be very fastly rather than deleting normally when you go to storage and you are finding the folders and everything. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.